Tangy grapefruit meets creamy avocado in my refreshing and nutritious salad. Get ready for a burst of flavors that will leave you feeling energized and satisfied. Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today, our celebration is all about a salad, but not just any salad. We're making an avocado and grapefruit salad. So let's get started. Now the best thing about this dish is this combines skills that we've taught you in 2 of our basic skills episodes: how to buy and prepare an avocado and how to supreme a citrus. And we'll leave links to those episodes in the video description section. We're going to start with the dressing, as we usually do with salads. Have a nice little bowl here. I'm going to start with mayonnaise. This is half a cup, about 110 grams, into our bowl. Next, we need some grapefruit juice. I have some here. This is the freshly squeezed juice from some grapefruit that I prepared for this salad. I just need 2, maybe 3 tablespoons. I'll start with 2. Put them in. A little grind of salt and pepper. It's going to balance everything out. Not too much salt because the mayonnaise is salty, but you need a little more than what's there. And some pepper. Now you could use white pepper if you want it to be really fancy. I kind of like the speckles of the pepper though. We're just going to whisk this to combine. And it takes just a couple minutes. It may look a little curdled at first, but just keep working it. And then you'll get this nice smooth dressing. You can make it as thin or as thick as you like. That's why I say 2, maybe 3 tablespoons. This is right about where I like it. Set this aside. We want all those little flavors kind of come together, make friends. Now this is a salad made from avocado and grapefruit. So let's talk about grapefruit. I have some grapefruits here. I have 3. I started cutting them into Supremes. Now what is a Supreme? Some people call them Supremes. This is what it looks like. This is the segment of the grapefruit that I've cut out carefully from between the membranes. Normally in citrus fruit, you peel it, you rip it out, you eat it, but this is without that outer membrane. So it's much more pleasant to eat in a salad. I'll show you. I have this one started. I really just need a few more pieces. I'm going to take a nice little knife here and go right in between, down the side of each membrane. And you just carefully do it like that. And like I say, I'll leave a link to a video that shows you in more detail how to do this. But you get the idea for now. I'm going to transfer this to a larger bowl. Right in. Okay, that's a good amount. Now let's talk about avocados. I have here some avocados I started to chunk up. Let me show you quickly how to do it. I like to just, my knife in, spin it around the seed, and then you twist, just like that. How beautiful. Now how do you get this pit out? Very carefully with the heel of your knife, just like that, and give it a twist. Oops, and it should come out. There we go. Then you just pinch from the top and it will fall right off your blade. Now to cut these into bite-sized chunks, I like to then cut this down through the skin. I know you're going to want to do it like this, but the skin is tough, so unless you have a very sharp knife, I like to carefully just do it this way. Now you can easily peel the skin off each segment and cut them into your salad. I'm just going to cut these into bite-sized chunks. I have more in this bowl that I've coated with some of the grapefruit juice and some plastic to keep them from turning brown too quickly, because avocado has a tendency to oxidize when the air hits it. Now, here comes the best part. All we have to do is combine this avocado with the grapefruit right in. We're going to give it a stir so everything gets nice and coated with the grapefruit juice. And don't worry, if your avocado does start to turn a little brown, it's perfectly fine. Now remember that dressing that we had that we put over here? Let's give it another little whisk. And I want to put some of this onto our salad. Not the whole thing. We don't want it drowning. But you want everything coated just like that. Now, how would you serve this? Here's what I like to do. I have a nice little piece of romaine lettuce. You could use butter lettuce or something similar to that. I have some nice fresh romaine today. Now I'm just going to spoon some of this right onto here. Get some of that grapefruit too. And you know what? It's great if it's a little messy and gets on the plate like that. Now, let's give this a little taste. I want a nice piece of avocado and a nice piece of grapefruit all at once. Wow. The perfectly ripe avocado is buttery and rich. Then that grapefruit and that grapefruit dressing counters that richness from it. And it's this wonderful burst of flavor. I'm even getting the black pepper because I used a good amount of it. So it's bright, it's tangy, it's refreshing, and delicious. But you know, I think I need a little wine to wash this down. Here we go. That's nice too. All right, as always, if you like this episode, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell, and you'll get a new episode every week. Now, I think I'm going to make this into a big, beautiful plate and serve it to my family for dinner. While I do that, I want you to watch some of these episodes over here. So until next time, everyone, cheers.